If we tell you there is $100 billion gold mine right above us for everyone, and no one has ever laid hands on it yet, you might ask why. So allow me to explain. Human activities will emit CO2 and continue to do so, together with the 8 billion humans who've created a colossal amount of emission points. But here's the fun fact. Industrial CO2 accounts for only 30% of the total global emissions. So to achieve a zero-net society in 30 years without direct air capture is really an illusion. Is it only a problem? Or is also an opportunity? IPCC stated the following: all pathways that limit global warming to 1.5 C project the need of direct CO2 removal in the order of 100 to 1,000 gigaton of CO2 over the 21st century. Guess what? $100 billion can be generated out of thin air if only 1% of this 100 gigaton that to be captured is utilized at the targeted price of $100 per ton. And that's the gold mine in the sky. The CO2 captured can be converted to chemicals, fuels, or even directly used in physiologists and greenhouses. So let's vacuum clean the atmosphere by a smart DAC. Think of a pine tree for a second. Do you know that 1 kilometer square of pine trees can absorb up to 1,250 tons of CO2 per year? But here's the deal breaker. At the same space, a smart DAC can absorb up to, drumroll please, more than 500,000 tons CO2 per year. To put things in perspective, the Smart DAC is 400 times more efficient than pine trees. Smart DAC is a simple two-step process. In the first step, the wind naturally passes through a permeable membrane gas absorption unit where the CO2 partially permeated through the membrane pores and react with the solvent. The reaction products are regenerated via electrochemical conversion in the membrane electrolysis unit, thereby releasing carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, and the fresh solvent is recycled back to the first step. A smart buffering strategy was adopted to synchronize the absorption step and the batch type regeneration step to ensure the overall continuous process. Our technology is unique. We've eliminated the need of fans by using natural wind to lower the costs and energy consumption, and we've ensured continuous absorption process of CO2 in a safe and low-cost solvent, using timber as material of construction and power the regeneration step by wind or solar. Our technology can also generate hydrogen and oxygen to be used for various purposes, probably the most efficient and lowest DAC technology at below $100 a ton. We're currently designing and optimizing this promising technology together with the team of partners who are striving to build a pilot plant at the capacity of 100 tons of CO2 per year in England, Northern Ireland, or Scotland. Our next stage is to connect with partners and end users to scale the technology to full commercial scale. We're interested to join you for projects to further develop the Smart DAC technology. So let's build the Smart DAC's wooden Roman watchtowers as a heavier wall against climate change.